Are you looking to log out of your chess.com account? In this video, I will show you how. You'll learn the simple steps to securely log out of your chess.com profile and protect your personal information. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Chess app and then tap on these three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen to see more options. After that, tap Settings. And now, at the bottom, you'll see the option to log out. So go ahead and tap Logout. And then tap Logout one more time to confirm your action. And now you've successfully logged out of your chess.com account. If you are logged into chess.com using your browser, I will also show you how to log out of it. So go ahead and open up your web browser and then go to chess.com. Once you are on this page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then simply tap where it says Log Out. And now you've successfully logged out of your chess.com account in your browser. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.